Click on the link below to get price. The Everything Mary XXL Rolling Sewing Machine Case in Grey Floral is a game changer for crafters and sewing enthusiasts. This case combines practicality with an eye-catching design, making it not only functional but also stylish. One of the standout features of this sewing machine case is its generous size. It comfortably fits most standard sewing machines, allowing for easy transport without the hassle of disassembly. The exterior is crafted from durable fabric that not only adds a touch of elegance with its lovely gray floral pattern but also ensures longevity. This is crucial for anyone who travels to sewing classes or craft fairs frequently. The case is equipped with sturdy wheels and a telescoping handle that make navigating through crowded spaces a breeze. Unlike some other bags that can be cumbersome, this rolling case glides effortlessly and feels balanced, even when loaded with additional supplies. The added side pocket is a thoughtful touch, perfect for storing extra tools, thread, or patterns that you might need on the go. Inside, the organized compartments are a highlight. The padded compartments provide ample protection for your sewing machine, while the multiple smaller pockets and elastic holders keep your essential tools, scissors, bobbins, and fabric well organized and easily accessible. The interior design prioritizes convenience, allowing users to quickly find what they need without digging through a cluttered bag. While the case is stylish and functional, it's worth noting that the floral pattern may not appeal to everyone's taste. However, the aesthetic is generally well received and adds a cheerful touch to your crafting routine. Overall, the Everything Mary XXL Rolling Sewing Machine Case is an excellent investment for anyone serious about sewing. Its thoughtful design, durability, and practical features make it a must-have for both beginners and seasoned crafters alike. Whether you're heading to a class or just storing your machine at home, this case ensures your sewing essentials are protected and easily transportable.